Okay, everyone. So this is problem number 13 for our chapter 14 equilibrium, chapter 14 homework on Connect. Equilibrium constants for a reaction. So the equilibrium constant is 3.79 times 10 to the negative 5 at 728 degrees Celsius for this reaction. Calculate the Kc and the Kp for the equilibrium of this reaction at the same temperature. Looking at these two reactions, we can see that it's a reverse reaction. So for a reverse reaction, we know that the constant for the reverse reaction is equal to 1 over K. 1 over the reciprocal of the given constant. So that equals 1 over 3.79. And that gives us 2.6 times 10 to the 4th. So this is our Kc. So that's the first part. We want to calculate the Kc and Kp. To calculate the Kp, we have to think how are Kp and Kc related, or how do we get them? How do we get Kp using our Kc? So to get our Kp equals our Kc times this gas constant times our temperature raised to the change in moles, change in number of moles. So as a side note, to get this, it's the number of moles of products minus the number of moles of reactants. So the number of moles of products minus the number of moles of reactants. We have 1 mole here minus the number of moles of reactants. 1 minus 2, which gives us -1. So now we just plug in to get our Kp. 2.6 times 10 to the 4 times our constant times our temperature, which we want in Kelvin. I need to calculate that really quick. What is our temperature? 728. So times 1001 Kelvin raised to the -1. Putting that in our calculator, we get that our Kp equals 315.2. So there we have our 2 answers.